Hi guys, what a beautiful 2 days. Oh Nkosi yami ngiyaperisha. Ngiyaperisha. Izivubeko zale 2 days. Hey. Yo, like I am actually perishing. I am actually perishing. I think I think abanye abantu I think abanye abantu ophuma kwabo, but they went to chill and they went to do things I couldn't. I couldn't. I came straight to my accommodation. Ndafika ndangena like phansi kwengubo. I slept and I'm only waking up now. I slept. Yo, Evetuna. But what a beautiful 2 days, guys. What a beautiful 2 days. Like so many emotional moments, like when the fighters, this is why I love I enjoy being amongst the fighters, especially when you're making content. Especially when you're making content, those moments are very important to capture. I am gonna do bits and pieces as the day goes. Actually, I'll think I'll do a full episode of bits and pieces on YouTube. The moments where CIC, like in the courthouse, like when he appears on the screen, fighters would clap and like be happy. The moment when he walked out of the courthouse, fighters were happy, they were clapping. And obviously I started recording card, so many beautiful moments, guys. I saw, I think I saw a tweet guys now. I said to revolution is love. Yeah, I guess now Usna said revolution is love and loyalty. Yeah. And I feel like some things you can't explain them in words. You have to experience them to understand. And I feel like most people don't understand how the fighters think, how they feel, just how they do things. And I think the only way you would understand how the fighters feel about CIC and how they feel about the EFF, you have to be in their midst to know. You have to be. There was a moment when what did the judge say? I don't know what she said. There was something that she said, yay. And I saw they started singing, but sing I saw no. But overall, what a beautiful 2 days. Even though I know, it's obviously it wasn't for fun time. It wasn't for fun times, but there's so many beautiful moments that you pick up. So many beautiful moments. There's this song, man, that was now was singing just when CIC was coming out of the courthouse. I love that song. I love that song. I think Jojo. I actually posted it on my previous feed. I love that song. So many beautiful moments that stood out for me. Obviously just when I met the fighters. So many beautiful moments for me seeing like my people, guys, but just seeing my own tribe as well. So many beautiful moments for me that stood out. It just makes everything so worth it. As I'm saying, bandia perisha, like india perisha, but everything is it's just so worth it. It's so worth it, and it's also a privilege to be able to to travel, because I know some fighters couldn't make it. So yeah, guys, no, this is just my check-in for now. I am gonna I'm gonna make proper videos when I'm home, but I just came to make this video because I wanted to say bana, ndiyaperisha. you know. But it's so good, man. It's so good to see my people, the platforms that we've built together, my TikTok people, Facebook, YouTube. It's good to see. It was so good to see you guys. Yeah, man, it's all love. It's all love. Long live the CIC. Yeah, long live the CIC. Yeah, I will. I'll definitely make some videos, but yeah, this is me saying, you know what? Um, we came out victorious. We came out stronger. Um, what a way to start a year. As fighters, I think also just being amongst fighters, you get some reassurance. You get reassurance. You get the feeling I'm home. Hence, there are just certain things that you can explain. You have to be in the midst for you to understand. I send a video, guys. I'm just venting. I'm just venting to say, yeah, what a time to be alive. What a time to experience such moments. These are moments that will be spoken about in history, so it's beautiful. It's beautiful to be amongst fighters, and I wouldn't trade it for anything. So yeah, but yeah, yeah.